Good morning, everybody. It's day 2 of Kentucky. We're gonna go to Mammoth Cave. So, yeah, we're gonna grab some breakfast here and head toward the cave. Looking forward to it. We found a Shoney's for breakfast, so that's what we're gonna do this morning. We have made it to Mammoth Cave. Go to the visitor center and check it out. Maybe the wind will die down in here. Alright, we're inside the cave. I'm glad I'm short.
But there is a little bit of claustrophobia.
Oh yeah.
I have tightness on my chest.
Just a little tight through here too. I want to tell you something. That self-guided tour is not worth it. Me and Emmy's have been to better caves in Alabama.
No, that's right.
But, you know, I think if you take a self-guided, it might be pretty good, but no, definitely wasn't worth it.
Oh, no.
Yeah, the guided tour might be worth it, but this self-guided is not. And every place we've been, they haven't charged Emmy because I have a National Park pass, but they charged her on this one. Guided tours may be great, you know, probably are, but self-guided, I wouldn't even pay the money. I'm out of shape, and they got this long walk uphill to get back to our cars. It might be the world's longest cave, but not for ones who just want to take a self-guided tour. Book your guided tour ahead of time, because there's only one guided tour available, and it's got a lot of stairs involved, and I'm not going to do that. So. We're hitting the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Speed of 210 miles an hour. Very rare split window event. How many? About 100 of these were made?
Look at 17,000.
10,000 of these were made
In 1 year.
in 1 year, but they decided to stop the split window because you couldn't see out of the rearview mirror. So. This one extracted from a sinkhole that opened up in the Sky Dome, swallowing 8 Corvettes. All the way down to the bottom down there, that's where the sinkhole was. That's as far as the sinkhole went down. That was pretty fun. I enjoyed that more than I thought I would. But it's kind of neat. We're gonna head back to the campground. We're heading home back to the trailer. Cool little
Country road.
country roads getting us home. the old grill going here. We're gonna make some steaks. Pork steaks and beef steaks. Got a New York strip I'm gonna put on. Yeah, that little walk through the cave kind of wore me out. The flight of stairs and then the incline going up kind of maxed me out for the day. The steaks are on. They look mighty pretty. Yeah, I almost put my hand there. Wow. Yeah, they're alive. Good morning, guys. Yeah, this is our last full day here. We're leaving in the morning to go home. We've got an extra night here because I want to take her to Foster Falls, which place I have been before. It's a very pretty state park in Tennessee, but they're closed right now, so that was out. So we decided just to stay an extra night here, and while it's fun and I'm enjoying it here, we have absolutely no service, very little internet. So it's been, you know, I'm kind of used to having my internet and that sort of thing. So we're probably going to look into Starlink when here in the next couple of months, I think. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. It's kind of strange. Our neighbors pulled in yesterday morning, packed up and left yesterday afternoon for some reason. I don't know, there was some issue with the electric plug-ins or I don't know what, but you know, instead of just fixing it, he just got mad and left. So to each his own.